Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to disable music in Real Racing 3. If you want to disable or turn off the in-game music in Real Racing 3, first of all, launch the game open on your mobile device and make sure that you are using the latest version of the game for smooth performance. From the home page of Real Racing 3, tap on the gear button at the bottom left. Now click on the gear button once again in the expanded menu. This will open up the settings option from where you can slide the slider right under effects volume and music volume and drag it all the way towards the left. Make sure that the volume are marked as 0, and after you do this, you'll be able to enjoy the game without any sound effects or music. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the music in Real Racing 3. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.